What's the best camera for streaming under $1,000? Is it a mythical creature, like a unicorn with a selfie stick? Spoiler alert, it's real and it's spectacular. Today, we're unraveling this mystery with the Sony ZV-E10. First things first, the ZV-E10 packs a punch with a 24MP aps-c sensor and 4K video. In terms of video recording, it films at 4K 30 frames per second without cropping, or 1080p 120 frames per second for breathtaking slow motion. That means ultra-crisp, clear visuals for your stream. Plus, with no pixel binning, you're getting the real deal in image quality. For my streamers out there, this camera is a dream. Easy live streaming? Check. Just hook it up with a USB cable, and you're good to go. No complicated setup. Plus, the background defocus button and product showcase setting, they're clutch for keeping your streams looking professional. Let's talk gear. Pair the ZV-E10 with a Sony CMW2 mic for crystal clear audio. Grab a GorillaPod for those dynamic angles. And don't forget a prime lens. It'll elevate your video quality to another level. Here is a quick pro tip. Dive into the camera settings. Play around with the AF transition speeds and AF subject shift sensitivity. It makes a huge difference in keeping your stream smooth and focused. And hey, use that flip out screen to make sure you're always in frame. Talking about the price, the ZV-E10 hits the sweet spot. At $798 with a 1650mm lens, or $698 for just the body, it's a bang for your buck. This price point is perfect for streamers who want quality without breaking the bank. So, is the Sony ZV-E10 the best streaming camera under $1,000? My verdict, absolutely. It's versatile, user-friendly, and gives you pro-level quality. Whether you're streaming games, vlogs, or anything in between, this camera's got you covered. Don't just chill and think about it. These babies fly off the shelves faster than you can say, streaming superstar. So, if you're ready to level up your streaming game, act fast. Hit up the link in the description or scan the QR code popping up right now. Don't miss out on this gem. Smash that like button, hit subscribe for more tech truths, and I'll catch you in the next video.